Hello everyone. Today we will be exploring another new feature of ChatGPT, which will help you, of course, to use ChatGPT in a better way, enhanced way, and make your overall experience good. So once you have logged in into your ChatGPT app, open your ChatGPT app, make sure that it is updated one. So we are not missing the important updates from ChatGPT. So this is the home page we have landed. In the top left you can see two bars. Click on that. Scroll to the bottom quickly to your name, username, and once clicked, you will be we will land on the settings page where you will find multiple settings which you can do with your ChatGPT account. Today we will be focusing on a personalization, which is just below restore purchases. So you will click on here. You will see three options: customize ChatGPT, memory, and manage memory. We will be focusing on customize ChatGPT today. As you can see, it is enabled for new chats. Two features or the two options that I was talking about that we'll be exploring today in this video are the ones that you are seeing as of now. So the first is the what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses. So here you can tell ChatGPT that I am a fitness coach and I would like to know about some good fitness routines. So here you can write anything, that you are a student, you are a business owner, you are a chef, or you run a particular business, you are a homemaker, anything. So once you have written that, then you have to move to the next option. How would you like ChatGPT to respond? So here you can write that make my response, or make the responses in bullet points with easy examples or real life examples in an elaborated manner or with images as well. As you know that ChatGPT can also create images. So once done, you can save those changes and you can scroll down here. You will see some options. Web search, so it will help your queries which to be more precise, the responses to your queries more precise using web research. Dolly to create images. Again, it depends like what you are giving, what you're feeding in the memory of ChatGPT. Code, it's again restricted to the coders, the technical part, the technical people. And Canvas, where you can collaborate with ChatGPT on text and code. So try the features that we just talked about and share it with your friends or family members who are using ChatGPT and they want to explore more. They are excited, always excited while using ChatGPT and talking about the features and everything. So with that, thank you very much for watching the video. Do like and subscribe. Share the video with your friends. Thank you.